Today, I completed the orientation that I needed to complete to set myself up for success for these classes. I am starting my undergraduate degree in neuroscience for the sake of figuring out literally what I'm doing when I'm doing all of this research to make my brain function a little bit more effectively. So orientation is done. I'm very excited about that. The first two classes that I'm going to take are English. I have to go through another English class, and biology, which I'm kind of excited about. I haven't taken biology since 2007 or something. But the thing that I'm working on today, because I finished my orientation, is I have to, within the next couple weeks, take a math placement test. It's the ALEKS, ALEKS. That's it. The ALEKS math placement test. And the purpose of me taking this is to see if I need to take a math class or if I can go into chemistry. Now, naturally, in my brain, I would love to just skip straight to chemistry. But my problem is I haven't done math in a decade or more. I just use this calculator since I don't need anything complex in my day-to-day life. So I've erased the majority of my math skills. At one point in time in high school, I made it to trigonometry. I was doing really well in math class. But it's all gone. It's been replaced with a bunch of bullshit. So I have a choice here. I could either go in naturally to the ALEKS math placement test and very likely fail and take this math class, or I could cram study and try to get a very good grade on the ALEKS test so that I can go into chemistry. My thought here is that I'm a relatively quick learner, and it feels like it would be a waste of time and bandwidth to spend several weeks in a math class when the concepts already make sense to me. If I were to be shown how to do a formula, I would then be able to just do the formula. The understanding is there. I just don't recall any of it. The point of this today is I found a YouTube channel that I really like. I've spent a couple hours so far looking through this. I've not watched a couple hours worth of videos, but I have spent a couple hours on the few videos that I've watched. And it is the channel Tablet Class Math. It looks like they started in like 2008. It's a guy explaining basic algebra, general math principles. And the way that he explains it is very logical. It's very understandable. He writes it out. Looks very good. So I kind of just wanted to share. This is the channel that I'm looking at right now. I sorted it by oldest videos because I'm trying to start at the beginning, so logically it made sense to like sort it for the oldest videos. And I'm starting at the very beginning. The one that I watched first is about 14 years old, which is probably from around the same time I did math last. So shout out to this if you are either preparing yourself for the ALEKS math course, or I watch this later and I still don't know how to do math, or I need help on something. This is the channel to go to. So super shout out to this math situation. Also, dividing fractions is probably my least favorite thing.